Hey, everybody. Hope everybody had a great weekend. Welcome. This is LashawnTerry. If you're new here, welcome to the Rich Gang. Uh, Subscribe if you're not. Click that notification bell so you'll know when I upload. I do have a playlist for you to look around. As y'all can see, I have a package here. I just got back home from dropping my son off at college. And if you can tell in my voice, I have a very bad cold. I've been sick all week. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to smell this because I can't smell anything right about now, but I'm hoping I can get a whiff of something. So let's take this out. Y'all probably already know who it's from. That's in FedEx. This came on Tuesday, and I was already out of town, and my friend came over and got it from in front of my house because FedEx always leaves stuff in front of my door, and they put it inside of my grill for me. So he's back to the bags. Yay. I like the bags. And so let me get this stuff out, and then also too, they bubble wrap them as well, put them in the bag. So let me get this out, and I'll be right back. Okay, here we are. So I got two new ones here, and then one backup of my favorite. So I got a backup of Dua 247, which is MFK 724. I really do love that fragrance, so I did get a backup while I was able to. And then I got Flowers in the Wind. I asked about this in the Dua group, and the girls was like, it really smells good. I've been loving florals, white florals, sweet florals. And then I got Clean Laundry. I do like clean fragrances. How I got onto laundry detergent type fragrances was from Dawkins with the pink cotton. So I'm going to spray these two and see if I could smell anything. Again, you can hear them. I don't know if you can hear it in my voice, but I have a really bad cold. And for the girls in the group that told me this Flowers in the Wind is good, y'all better be right, as y'all gonna have to catch these hands, because I bought two of these hoes. So let's see. This one I'm going to see if I can spray. See if I can smell. Ooh. Y'all, I can't. Oh my gosh, this is terrible. I can't smell nothing. I got my ceiling fan on too. Oh my gosh, this is terrible. I still can't smell anything. Y'all, that is so bad. Wow. Yeah, I can't smell nothing. I'm sorry, y'all. Hopefully my smell come back soon. Yeah, because I can't smell anything. That sucks. That really sucks. I had on Hug of Flowers the other day, and we was actually in Costco's, and me and my son, my oldest son, and buying toiletries and stuff for my youngest for school. And somebody said somebody smells good, and my son was like, that's my mom most likely. And I think I still had my smell a little bit, but today I put on heist fragrance, fairy dust or happy dust. And I couldn't smell anything, y'all. And I got into the car. My husband was like, "You smell good. What you got on?" I said, "Happy dust, fairy dust," but I can't smell a doggone thing. And I'm so mad. I cannot smell these fragrances. I'm not lying to y'all. I can't smell anything. Nothing. Oh well. I guess I'll come back when I'm able to smell something, whatever that may be. I'm sorry, guys. I can't give y'all a first impressions of clean laundry and flowers in the wind. But shit, I don't know. I'll be back at some point, y'all. Y'all enjoy the rest of your week. I don't even know. I'm gonna put this shit up. Y'all have a good night, morning, day, afternoon, whatever it may be. And I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.